Ms. Krishnan, this is my advice to you on the use and development of Valandera Allotment 28A Sec A. I understand that you want to develop a boutique accommodation and a food kiosk, having the seating for 10 with parking area for 5 cars, 5 tiny houses with a floor area of 50 square meters each, solar panels into the build, rainwater tanks and composting toilets, some clearing of vegetation and planting indigenous vegetation to create a bushland experience for visitors. Ms. Kristen, your property is subject to the Campespe planning scheme. The regulation of land use is mainly accomplished through zoning. The planning controls which apply to this property are farming zone and schedule 1, floodway overlay, specific controls and schedule 2. You can use and develop your land as a bed and breakfast facility for the people who stop at the highway park for the rest purposes. Ms. Custon, this use as a bed and breakfast is a section 1 use. Under farming zone clause 35.071, which does not require a permit for 10% or less. Permit will be required for car parks under clause 35.071 section 2. 5 car parks must be provided for 10 persons as per clause 35.071 section 1. You may need 5 more car parks, 1 for yourself, 1 for full-time staff and 3 for 5 casual staff, for which permit will be required as per clause 52.065 table 1. It is likely that permit will be issued for 10 car parks. Ms. Kristen, under clause 35.074, a permit is required for building or works associated with a use in section 2 clause 35.071. The floodway overlay clause 44.032 will apply, and so a rainwater tank will need a permit. A solar energy facility does not need a permit under clause 62.022 if it is attached to a building that primarily services the land on which it is situated. Therefore, you will not need a permit to install the solar panels. Ms. Kristen, as far as vegetation removal and planting vegetation are concerned, the provisions of clause 52.17 need to apply a permit to clear the native vegetation. Provisions of specific controls overlay clause 45.121 permits the land to be developed in a way that would otherwise be prohibited or restricted. Therefore, you will not need to apply for a permit to clear the vegetation if you start development by 31st of December 2021 and complete it by 31st of December 2026 under specific controls overlay 1. Ms. Custon, this parcel is in a designated bushfire prone area, so special bushfire construction requirements and planning provisions may apply. It is likely the permit may not be issued for the extensive plantation of indigenous vegetation to provide screening and also to create a bushland experience for visitors. I therefore advise that you may be granted the permit to use and development the land as a bed and breakfast outlet. Ms. Kristen, if the decision is to refuse the permit, you can seek a review of the decision by VCAT. You will have 60 days to apply for a review. If the decision is to grant the permit, a notice of decision to grant permit is issued to all the objectors, including your neighbor dog. If the objectors seek a review of the decision by VCAT, they have a period of 21 days to apply for a review.